Hi, I'm Melissa Sikora with the Village of Flowers, and I am going to show you how to make a spring flower arrangement. First, we're going to start off with this really awesome bark-covered vase. We're going to tape it off with clear florist tape to make a grid to hold the flowers, because the mouth of this vase is very wide. So in order to not have to use a lot of flowers, we're going to grid this off. Just going to do about 3 strips on each side. And you can buy this florist tape at any floral supply store. And then we are going to start with a mini green hydrangea. And we've selected some really nice pastel colors to go along with the spring theme. So we're going to put a base of hydrangea. Taking off all the foliage so it's not decomposing down in the water. I'm going to turn that for you. I'm going to add these really pretty open yellow spray roses. The next thing I'm going to add are these gorgeous pink tulips. Tulips are one of our favorite flowers here at the shop. It's a very fun time of the year when we get our fresh crop in from the growers in New Jersey. In Holland and all over the world. Now we've got some really pretty calla lilies. These came in from South America. I'm going to do a little bit more of an asymmetrical arrangement. So the calla lilies are going to make their own line. The tulips are going to have their own little grouping. And now we're going to add spring iris, which is the Tennessee state flower. This arrangement is only going to be seen from the front. We do a lot of grouping of flowers because it's kind of how they grow in a garden. So it gives that really gardeny, organic feel. And then we're going to add some snapdragons, tulips, and everything is just coming alive and really showing a lot of color. So that is a really informal pastel spring arrangement.